Miss Sarah, and I'm a nurse at a busy hospital. I love my job, but every day is full of challenges and surprises. Let me tell you what a typical day looks like for me. My alarm rings at 6 a.m. I get out of bed, take a quick shower, and put on my uniform. It's blue, clean, and comfortable. Then I tie my hair back, grab a light breakfast, and head out the door. I usually arrive at the hospital around 7 a.m. I say hello to the team, and we meet for the morning briefing. That's when we talk about the patients, the night shift, and what we need to do today. At 8 a.m., my shift officially begins. I check the patient list and start my rounds. I walk from room to room, checking on each patient. I take their temperature, blood pressure, and oxygen levels. I smile and ask, "How are you feeling today?" Some patients are sleepy, some are chatty, and some are scared. If a patient needs medicine, I prepare it carefully. If they're hungry, I help them eat. If they need to walk, I support them. Sometimes, I help the doctors with procedures or prepare a room for surgery. I also answer phone calls, write reports, and talk to families. No 2 hours are ever the same. Around 1 p.m., I take a short lunch break in the staff room. It's important to rest, even just a little before going back. After lunch, I go back to the patients. Sometimes, we get new ones coming in from the emergency room. We help them settle in, check their condition, and comfort them. I love talking to elderly patients. They tell the best stories. And I love cheering up children with stickers or silly jokes. One little boy once gave me a drawing of me as a superhero. That made my day. By 4 p.m., I start preparing for the end of my shift. I update the charts, organize the room, and give a full report to the next nurse. We work as a team. We always support each other. At 5 p.m., I finally leave the hospital. I feel tired, but proud. Sometimes my feet hurt, but my heart feels full. When I get home, I take off my shoes, wash up, and relax. Sometimes, I go for a walk or just sit quietly with a cup of tea. Later, I cook dinner, maybe watch a little TV, and talk to my family. By 9:30 p.m., I'm in my pajamas, ready for bed. Being a nurse isn't always easy. But I love helping people. I love knowing that my work matters. That's my day as a nurse.